Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into one of Moho's most powerful rigging tools, target bounds. So if you ever wanted precise control of limbs, squash and stretch effects, or even a movement, this is your key. Now let's jump in. So what are target bounds? Target bounds are special bounds that act like magnets. You assign them to a regular bone, and that bone will always try to reach the target's position. This is perfect for knees or elbow or feet that need to stay planted or follow a certain path. Okay, so when we say that the ball will always try to reach that positions, think about when you play football and you want to score a goal. So your target is to score a goal. So in that situation, when you apply target bonds in Moho, that means that your character or your the bonds which you set a target, it will reach into that position. And for example, when you set it a certain value and then you go over that target, then the target bond will always separate from the body. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So how to create a target bonds. I've got my character here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, this character has already got bones everywhere. Now I'm going to add a target bone. So I'm gonna go to select add bone tool, and okay, so I'm using point bone to add bones. I will need to give a name. So for example, like the left one, I will give it a target left or TL, and then I'm going to add another bone which is TR or target right. You can write full name or you can write just the abbreviation. Okay. After I have done that, then now it is the time for me to set a target. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to, before I set a target, I need to make these two bonds all strength to 0. So click and type just 0. So the strength now is going to be 0 strength. Okay. After that, then I'm just going to double check they are not parented anywhere, and I'm happy that they are not, as you can see. So next one, I'm going to select these two bonds there, because these are the one which I need to target. Go to bond constraint, and I will need to increase the number here to 120, and then use the stretch also up around 130. Once I've done that, I will click now one by one and then target. So this one is the left, so target left, which is TL. And you can see that like an extra circle has been added there. Click next one, which is the right, and target right. Okay, another circle has been created. Now look at our character now. So if I go to manipulate tools, and you can see the stretch and the rigging look very smooth and very nice. So this is different. If you remember before when I was showing you how this character works, you could see that like it was not that not easy or that nice like it is at the moment. So this is how the target bones work. Okay, let's do a quick rigging for this character. You can see that instead of clicking each bone to manipulate, I'm going to use just the target bone, and the character is following very nicely. If I did not do that, then I will have to click each bone to manipulate. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more rigging tips and storytelling tools. If you want a printable guide or post share, then I will post that on the link below. And also all the characters I've been using in this Moho tutorial or in these Moho tutorials, then I will put them in a link. You will be able to download a already rigged character. So if you want me to do anything else, then please put that in a comment as well. And thanks for watching. Until next time.